Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to cast Mac to Firestick. Let's go. Open Settings, Network. Check your network. Your Mac and your Firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Apps, App Store. Find and install airscreen app. Continue. Open link. Open screen mirroring. Choose airscreen. Done. That's it. Now you know how to cast Mac to Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.